All righty, so today I got a 82, I think it's an 82 J series pickup truck in here. Jeep J series pickup truck. And we got a hole in the firewall right there, a little rust hole. It ain't very often that I get super excited about vehicles that are in here, but this, I've worked on some pretty cool stuff over the years, but this one is one of the cooler things that's ever come in. This old flatbed truck, they built the flatbed. God, they did a great job on the flatbed. This thing is cool. God, it's cool. So I'm excited to work on it. But they had somebody come out, pull the windshield, and this is at a prominent four-wheel drive shop that's in our area. It's Palmetto 4x4. If for some reason I can't say that name on our videos, I'm going to check with them, then we're going to pull this out. But Palmetto 4x4 in Ravenel. We just started doing some work with them. This is the first one that come in, and I like what I'm seeing so far. This is a really cool truck. It looks like it's put together real well. So they had somebody come out, pull the windshield out of this thing with the intentions of replacing it because it had a leak somewhere in the past and it rusted out a section of the floorboard. And they've been getting the runaround since February. So it's December now. We're 3 days before Christmas. And since February, they've been trying to get somebody to put a windshield in this thing, which is crazy to me. So the first thing that jumped out to me is when this windshield come to us with the gasket already on the glass is somebody's put the gasket on the glass first rather than afterwards. So the reason this person, whoever glass company and the other glass companies, I don't know what's going on, but I think the reason this thing has come to us the way it did and the reason the glass company's been ghosting them is because they didn't know how to use this style gasket. They didn't know how to put it in. With this style gasket, this is what we call a locking strip style gasket or a self-locking gasket. And this gasket, what happens is it actually locks into itself to apply pressure onto the glass to form the seal. Somebody was attempting to rope this glass in with the gasket on the glass already. That is not how this goes in. The way these style gaskets go on, much like a mid-80s, or should we call it a 74 to 87 C10, K10, CK series truck, Chevy pickup truck, the gasket goes into the vehicle, and then I call it fiddlestick. You fiddlestick the windshield into the gasket, and which actually is going to be kind of tough on this one, looking at the corners and how deep those top corners sit in there. So how deep? The bottom corners aren't bad, so we'll probably have to slip the gasket up in the top and fiddle it around. But I just don't see any way to rope this bad boy here in. But typically with a locking style gasket goes on the vehicle, glass goes into the gasket. You back bed everything in the way you're going to back beat it in. If it's going to be with or bed it in, back beat it, however you want to say it. I'm sure somebody's going to call me out online and say I'm a clown because I don't know the proper terms. Whatever. Bed it in, lock it down, zip this gasket up, and that's going to lock everything down. There's some trim for it too. I'm not sure exactly how the trim goes on. I got to piece it together. I know the sides at least screw down. I think the top screws down. I won't know for certain until I get it laid out because this is my first time working on a J series Jeep. So, excuse me, it's going to be a little bit of a learning experiment. But I just found it interesting that these guys have been getting a run around since February because there's a bunch of glass guys that don't know what they're doing. Which, I mean, we shouldn't be shocked. But if you got a lock and strip style gasket, your gasket goes on first and your windshield goes in after. Sometimes there's exceptions to certain vehicles that are real difficult to make fit, but put your gasket on the body first. Anytime it's locking. It's got a locking strip or it's got a filler strip, or except for Porsches. Those are beauty rings. They're not locking strips. They're beauty rings. So I'm super excited about it. And sorry for some of the sporadic videos we've had lately, guys. We had strep throat come to the shop last month, and it devastated everything, and it ruined our whole schedule. And then now we're a little short-staffed. We had a technician quit a couple weeks ago, and So we're short-staffed again, but so I've got a little less time for some of these videos, but we're gonna keep pumping them out when we can. Thanks everybody for your support. Go like and share and subscribe.